Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all good. First of all, thank you for 800 plus subscribers, and I have not uploaded videos for a long time, so sorry for that for some reasons. And we are very close to reach 1000 plus subscribers, so please like, share and subscribe. If you like this video, please like, please share and please subscribe. Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's start.
Your day and ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this in the drive-thru? Order my food. Let's stay up all night. Let's pretend we're alright in the drive-thru. I'm in love with you. Now I know what I should do. Think about your day and ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this in